Let's unbox it right now. Remove the planter and branches from the box. The 7-feet olive tree includes 8 branch sections. Remove the protective caps before assembly. Connect each section according to the matching numbers. Built-in wire trunk may arrive bent from shipping. Straighten to restore shape. Avoid overlapping branches. It looks cluttered and unnatural. Avoid excessive branch angles. Recommended under 45 adjustment. Wrong, center looks empty. Correct. Adjust branches evenly for balance. Fully unfold all leaves for a fuller shape. Low maintenance. Clean with a feather duster or damp cloth. Use a hair dryer to help shape and add volume.